So we are the group 5. Our task is to construct a 4 input. The gates that we will use is OR gate. The general concept of OR gate circuit that output 1 if any of the inputs is 1. They should only be 0 if all inputs are 0. So I show here the gate of OR gate, and the input is 4. Then the output is 1. This is the input. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Patience here. Connecting. So we have to connect the gates. Ay, oh my god. You have to connect. Then this is the output. Oh, oh. I will label first this for A, and for this B, for this C, and for this is D. Then our output is Y. Y. So I will do first the truth table of 4 inputs in OR gate. Ay, have truth table. Since we have only 2 bits, so 2 times our exponent of our task is do for 4 inputs, so 4 is equals to 16. In every row we have to do 16 inputs, and we have also 16 outputs in each row. So another text again, we have A, B, B, C, B, C, and D, and our output is Y. First input is 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, second is 001, 001. The output is 1. The third is 0010. So the output is 1. The fourth is we have 0011. So the output is 1. The fifth is we have 0100. So the output is 1. Sixth input we have 0101. So the output is 1. Number 7, seventh input we have 0110. The output is 1. Next we have 0111. So the output is 1. For the ninth input we have 1000. So the output is 1. For the 10th input we have 1001. Then the output is also 1. For the 11th we have 1010. 1010. 1. So the output is also 1. For the 12th input we have 1011. 1011. So the output is also 1. Ay! 1. Huh. For the 13th we have 1100. So the output is 1. For the 14th we have 1101. 101. So the output is also 1. For the 15th input we have 111 and 0. So the output is also 1. For the 16th, for the last, we have 1111. The output is also 1. So this is our truth table. First we have 0 0 0 0. So the output is 0. The bulb will not light. For number 2, we have 0, 0, 0, and 1. So the bulb will light. Oh, sorry. This is 0. Okay. That is 0. For the number 2, 3, we have 0, 0. Okay. For number 1, 0. The bulb will not light up. For number 2, we have 0, 0, 1. The bulb will light. Number 3, 0, 0, 1, 0. So the 1. So the bulb will light. And next, number 4, 0, 0, 1. The bulb will light. Number 5, we have 0, 1, 0, 0. So the bulb will light. Number 6, we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the bulb will light. Number 7, we have 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Number 7. Okay. So next we have 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So bulb will light up. Next we have 0, 1, 1, 1. So the bulb will light. Next we have 1, 0, 0, 0. So the bulb will light. Next we have 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Next we have 1, 0, 1, 0. Next we have 1, 0, 1, 1. Next we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next we have 1, 1, 0. We have 1, 1, 0, 1. Next we have 1, 1, 1, 0. Next we have 1. So overall, this is our output for the given task. That's all, and thank you.